Hey guys, this is Luis with Vidriokar glass replacement. We have this one is the highliner. We're gonna use the ring cut. So setting my line. We got a couple of dents over here so we can see that. Remember, we go under. We're gonna use this guy. Remember, this one will be available to use the WRD spindles for the orange back, so you can use that one because you're gonna be able to print the file. But if you need the spindle, you can use it from your orange pad, and that's all. Okay, at this point, now we're gonna get some more around right there. We go to the top, we get the double loop. Remember, always I recommend you, if you don't want to cut the whole pillar, just cut this part, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, here's my protectors. There's somewhere. So you have to cut the whole pillar, but just the first big sections over here. Okay, now here what I do, I'm gonna use my suction cup. We're gonna hold this guy here. Okay. And I think that line is already in. One push, one pull, and it's gonna be in. There you go. These ones are harder, the Highlander. The battery is gonna die. No again, no again. I didn't charge the battery one more time. Now before we finish, let me put a tape. I think I'm almost done, but the battery died. Almost died. Okay guys, let me just put the one in place. Just to prevent any accident, okay? There you go. And that's all, guys. Okay, we still save the clip so we can reuse it. No damage, everything is clean, and that's it. You see, that's what I do. Cut the first clips, and it's more easy. We'll use a ring cut because there's a lot of tension, pressure right there. Okay, guys, and remember this one is only PLA, and it's only 15%. You still see the damage, but you're gonna print it in 100%, so that way you don't have any problem. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and see you in the next pull out, because we have a lot of work. Thank you, guys.